Being a fitness model and competitor, I love to work out, and you should too. Before I get working out, I definitely need to stretch. So I'm going to show you a couple stretches you can do. Just nice and straight and tall. Bend on forward, and give those hamstrings a nice good stretch right there. You're going to bring your side to the left, give a nice little lunge. Really feel those glutes, your hamstrings, your quads. Bring in your foot, stretch down. Try to reach your hand to your toe. Bring it over to the middle, nice stretch. Bring it over to the other side, give a nice lunge. Bring it on in. Bring your head down to your toe. And then bring it onto the middle. Slowly come up. Bring your hands and intertwine them in the back. You're going to want to stretch out your shoulders. Release forward. Loosen everything up. Give a nice good stretch. It's going to warm you up for the day. And there you go. There's some nice stretches for you to start. Thanks for watching, and remember, everything matters.